Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike, a late-night campsite jam, or unexpected roadside repairs, the Flamp U1 is engineered to handle it all, combining cutting-edge illumination with rugged audio performance in one compact EDC essential. Built for adventurers who value versatility without compromise, this all-in-one flashlight and Bluetooth speaker redefines how you prepare for the unknown. With a blazing 2,300 lumen main beam and a secondary adjustable light, visibility never takes a back seat. Precision and balance define the essence of this ergonomic marvel. Designed for extended sessions at a desk or workstation, this chair features an auto-following backrest and headrest, which intuitively track your spine and neck movement for seamless support. Whether you're leaning forward in focus or reclining to unwind, the chair synchronizes with your natural posture to maintain optimal alignment throughout. The auto-adjusting headrest responds to your seated angle without manual input. It lifts, tilts, or lowers automatically to cradle your neck precisely where you need it. The Bird Buddy Smart Hummingbird Feeder and Smart Bird Bath provide a unique opportunity to connect with nature in your own backyard. Offering an innovative way to observe and identify hummingbirds, these devices use an advanced AI-powered recognition system to identify each bird that visits. With built-in cameras, both the feeder and bird bath capture stunning photos and videos, allowing you to enjoy incredible up-close shots of your favorite tiny visitors. When every second counts, whether you're racing daylight on a mountain trail or commuting through city chaos, you need gear that works fast and right. Enter the Airvat, a 4-in-1 tire inflator engineered for smart, high-performance inflation on the go. Compact, yet mighty. It weighs only 7.4 ounces and is built with a cordless frame that fits effortlessly in your palm, backpack, or glove box. Cyclists, bikers, campers, and ballers. This one's built for you. The Tachon 210-watt power bank is designed for those who demand speed and durability in their charging solutions. Equipped with shock-proof construction, it ensures protection from impacts during outdoor adventures or travel. With 4 USB charging ports, it supports simultaneous device charging, allowing users to power up multiple gadgets at once without slowing down. The digital display offers a clear, real-time view of the power bank's status, making it easy to monitor remaining charge and manage power usage effectively. No bright distractions, no attention traps. The Lightphone 3 is here for those ready to reclaim their time and presence. Built for people tired of the upgrade treadmill, this device honors durability, clarity, and purpose. With a sleek metal frame, 5G connectivity, and USB-C charging, it provides what's essential without dragging you into the noise. Every element of the Lightphone 3 speaks intention. The camera is purposefully minimalist, echoing classic point-and-shoot film cameras. Built for the bold, Sharks is the micro-knife engineered for those who value precision and resilience in every detail. This isn't a gimmick or a novelty. Sharks is a professional-grade cutting tool shrunk down to a mere 2 inches, ready to punch far above its weight. With a body forged from grade 5 titanium, it resists fire, water, and physical punishment with ease. This is the same alloy trusted in aerospace, now in your pocket. Designed to roam your home with intelligence and care, the Rola Pet Pal camera robot from Enabot is more than a pet cam. It's a watchful companion. With a stunning 2.5K QHD resolution, it delivers crystal-clear video, ensuring you never miss a moment. Whether you're checking in on your cat's lazy stretch across the living room or your dog's excitement when hearing your voice, Pet Pal keeps you connected from anywhere. Its movable body glides across hardwood or carpet, covering every inch of your space. The Tesco II self-stirring coffee mug stands as a versatile and efficient tool for anyone seeking convenience in their daily routine. Featuring an automatic magnetic stirring mechanism, this stainless steel mug ensures your coffee, tea, or other beverages are consistently mixed without the need for manual stirring. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, its multifunctional design adds practicality to your lifestyle. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this mug is built to withstand regular use while maintaining an appealing, sleek look. The RTIWO plastic wrap dispenser stands out as a durable and efficient solution for your kitchen needs. With its magnetic design, this 12-inch by 328 feet dispenser allows you to effortlessly cut cling film, aluminum foil, and other wraps with precision. It eliminates the frustration of tangled plastic wrap, offering a seamless experience with every use. Crafted from robust materials, this dispenser is built to last, ensuring both stability and reliability. The KitchenAid Artisan series stand mixer is a versatile powerhouse that brings precision and style to your kitchen. Crafted from durable zinc and stainless steel, this appliance offers a blend of reliability and elegance. It operates on 120 volts with a 250-watt motor and provides 10 speeds to tackle any task, from gentle mixing to vigorous kneading. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl features a comfortable handle, making it easy to handle large batches. Set your audio free with the power to transform everyday surfaces into rich, resonant speakers. GDAL redefines what portable sound means, packing a full-range vibration speaker into one of the smallest footprints available, rather than relying on traditional cones or drivers. GDAL uses advanced vibration sound transfer technology, channeling sound waves through wood, glass, metal, or plastic to fill your space with immersive 360-degree audio. Gaming excellence now fits in the palm of your hand. The Lenovo Legion Go S rewrites the rules with a handheld device that balances raw power and versatility. Whether you're posted up on the couch or deep into a cross-country trip, this compact gaming machine transforms anywhere into a battleground. Fueled by AMD Ryzen Z2 Go or Z1 Extreme platforms, the Legion Go S delivers the kind of performance usually reserved for full-sized rigs. It rips through demanding titles without stutter, heat, or compromise. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. No more yanking, twisting, or yelping as you wrestle with an overstuffed trash bag. The Pulley bin flips the script on how we deal with garbage, starting with a smarter, safer design. Forget hauling 30 pounds of compressed waste while fighting suction and gravity. This bin makes it effortless. Front opening doors eliminate the need for awkward lifts. Just lift the top cover, swing open the stainless steel doors, and pull. Ideas move faster when tools adapt to how we think. This device isn't just futuristic, it's built for the now. With a ChatGPT-powered core, it anticipates your questions, refines your prompts, and delivers smarter outputs on the fly. Flick your wrist and you're in control. Its precision, gesture, recognition responds instantly, transforming hand movements into commands with no lag. As an air mouse, it replaces clunky peripherals with effortless motion, ideal for presentations across 10 feet of open space. No more awkward fits or cramped corners. Petux 5.3 brings true comfort and space to your cat's daily routine. Built for larger breeds and multi-cat households, it redefines what a litter box should be. The days of scooping, scrubbing, and deodorizing are over. This drum-based system offers a massive 100 liters of space with an 18.9-inch inner diameter, ideal for cats over 30 pounds. Engineered for seamless transitions, the DocBook vertical dock reinvents how you use your MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. With a precision-fit enclosure carved from solid machined aluminum, this vertical dock offers more than aesthetics. It's a desktop command center built for speed and efficiency. Once your MacBook Pro slides into place, the DocBook's custom internal electronics instantly redirect all connections to the rear, minimizing cable clutter. Each port supports data transfer rates up to 40 gigabits per second. Imagine waking up to the cleanest water your home has ever known. Water that hasn't touched a truck, bottle, or municipal pipe. This advanced countertop filtration system delivers up to 2.5 gallons of revitalizing alkalized water every single day. Drawing inspiration from NASA technology, the unit combines a proprietary water filter with a double-layer air filtration system that uses carbon felt pre-filtering and twin UVC sterilization chambers for unmatched purification. When your household runs on battery-powered devices, wasted time and energy sorting through half-charged cells can slow everything down. That's where the OITE Ostation X steps in. Built not just to charge batteries, but to redefine battery management altogether. The Ostation X doesn't just power up your batteries, it smartly handles them from start to finish with a seamless process. Analyze, charge, sort, and store. Thanks to its integrated superchip, it recognizes battery size, type, polarity, and health. The Mini Proka 7 brings performance and portability together in an innovative package. Packed with the powerful AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU, this compact device ensures smooth multitasking and rapid processing speeds. Whether you're working on demanding applications or enjoying high-resolution content, the device excels at providing seamless performance. With DDR5 RAM options ranging from 8GB to 32GB, the Mini Proka 7 adapts to your computing needs, offering efficient memory handling for both casual users and power users alike. From studio workshops to remote job sites, the ability to print precisely on virtually any surface is now a reality. Introducing the world's first modular inkjet printer designed to adapt to almost any material, rigid or flexible, while delivering vivid colors and crisp content. Whether you're applying an image, embedding a QR code, printing fine text, or stamping a barcode, this printer handles it all with precision. Compact yet powerful, it's engineered with modular components that swap easily. Step into a new age of intuitive robotics where human-like interaction meets intelligent design. This advanced personal companion isn't just a machine, it's an experience. Powered by ChatGPT integration, it engages in natural conversation, offering everything from thoughtful responses to jokes with timing and tone that mirror a human. Its biomimetic behavior system allows it to move with lifelike fluidity, reacting to voice, touch, and motion cues with striking realism. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. WavePad's Original 2 pack-adjustable wrist rests are designed to provide lasting comfort and support during long hours of typing or computer use. Crafted with ergonomic memory foam, these wrist pads offer optimal cushioning, reducing pressure on the wrists and helping to prevent discomfort caused by repetitive strain. Whether you're working on a laptop or using a keyboard, these adjustable wrist rests align perfectly with your wrists, promoting a more natural position that alleviates wrist pain and carpal tunnel symptoms. Turn up the heat without second-guessing your setup. The No Worries gas timer is a powerful 80,000 BTU auto shutoff gas timer, engineered to prevent gas leaks, flameouts, and overcooking. Designed for propane and natural gas systems, it's the perfect fit for outdoor grills, fire pits, patio heaters, and pizza ovens. Equipped with a reliable 3/8-inch flared assembly connector and hose, this compact safety device blends seamlessly into your setup while adding a critical layer of protection. The Cooper Cooler Rapid Beverage and Wine Bottle Chiller is the ultimate solution for quickly chilling beverages in your home bar or dorm. Its automatic touchpad offers a seamless user experience, making it easy to use with just the press of a button. This chiller is designed to cool your drinks in minutes, thanks to its innovative ice and water system that efficiently lowers the temperature of bottles and cans. Whether you need to chill sodas, beer, or wine, the Cooper Cooler ensures your beverages are ready to enjoy without the wait. When every moment counts, precision matters. That's where SwitchLens transforms your smartphone into a compact powerhouse of professional-grade imaging. Built around a true Micro Four Thirds CMOS sensor, it captures vivid 21-megapixel RAW photos with razor-sharp detail and lifelike colors. Whether you're on the streets or scaling peaks, SwitchLens delivers cinematic 4K at 120 frames per second, ensuring every second of motion is fluid and immersive. Striking a balance between futuristic design and practical function, this speaker redefines what a modern audio device should look and sound like. The Gravar Supernova doesn't just play music, it turns any space into a performance stage. Housed in a rugged zinc alloy shell with mechanical accents, it's built for both aesthetics and durability. Measuring approximately 5.9 inches in height, this compact unit fits effortlessly on a desk, nightstand, or picnic table. Beneath the waves, precision and power meet in the form of a next-generation water scooter designed for deep exploration and high-speed aquatic travel. The Sublue Vapor doesn't just move through water, it commands it, delivering a top speed of 6.2 miles per hour with selectable modes at 3.7, 5, and 6.2 miles per hour. Built with ALO 2.0 jet propulsion, it generates a commanding 46.3 pounds of thrust using a high-efficiency 6-blade impeller and 12-blade guide vane to ensure continuous torque and stability even in strong currents. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike, a late-night campsite jam, or unexpected roadside repairs, the Flamp U1 is engineered to handle it all, combining cutting-edge illumination with rugged audio performance in one compact EDC essential. Built for adventurers who value versatility without compromise, this all-in-one flashlight and Bluetooth speaker redefines how you prepare for the unknown. With a blazing 2,300 lumen main beam and a secondary adjustable light, visibility never takes a back seat.